Do you still refresh your browser every single time you change your HTML file? Do you know that there is a much faster way? In this video, I will show you how to get a live HTML preview in VS Code so your website updates automatically whenever you save your code. So, let me just open my VS Code. If you open your VS Code, your interface will somewhat look like this. And then you can just go to this file section and open a folder. So in my D drive, I have just selected a demo folder. Let me just open it. And in here, under this demo file section, I will create a new file in here. Let me just cancel this welcome interface. And in here, let's just name a file, say for example, demo.html. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter. So this is my HTML code, and I'm just pasting a demo HTML code just for the demonstration purpose. So this is my entire HTML code. Now, I can just save this code by pressing Ctrl+S. Then my HTML code will get saved. And now if I want to run it, what I need to do? I need to open that folder once again, and then I have to double click on this HTML file. So it would open in my browser. But this thing is very tedious when you are doing web development. So for that, to make your things easy, you can just click on this extension bar, and in here you can write live server. Just click on the first option and click on install. So it's just going to ask for some permissions. Just click on trust publisher and install. Then as you can see that this thing is installing. Okay, so our install is completed. Now what we are going to do is we are just going back to our code. Now in here, you can see that there is an option called go live. I'm going to click on go live, and after some time, it would open my website just as it is in a split window. So now I'm going to just do minor changes in here to show you that you don't need to reload it every time. Now just let me just split my VS Code in here and my website in here. So just see that I'm just doing minor changes. Say for example, welcome to my website, and I'm just going to cancel welcome to my website and write here welcome. And as you can see that if I now press Ctrl and S, it automatically updates my website. So you don't have to tediously manually go to your folder and open the HTML file and then continuously reload your website to see real-time changes in your website, and it would optimize your work to a great extent. So that was it for today's video. I hope that this thing will help you a lot in web development. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning web development.